In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload plans in Stack. We'll walk through this process together step by step so you can easily follow along. By the end, you'll be able to confidently upload and manage your plans in the Stack environment. To begin with, we need to access the Stack login page. Go ahead and navigate to your preferred web browser and input the Stack login URL. Upon reaching the page, you'll notice the option to log in with Google. This is a convenient way to access your account without having to remember yet another username and a password. Simply click on the Login with Google button, which will prompt you to sign in using your Google account details. This process is straightforward and ensures secure access to your Stack account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, look for the New Project button. Clicking this will allow you to create a new project, and you'll have the opportunity to fill in various project specifics. This is a crucial step as it accommodates details like project status, bid dates, times, and location. Having accurate information entered at this stage can significantly help in managing and organizing your construction plans effectively. Now, with your new project all set up, the next thing we want to do is upload our plans. You'll find an Upload Plans button. Go ahead and click on it. This action brings up a file uploader interface, usually enabling you to drag and drop your plans or select files directly from your computer. Ensure your files are in an accepted format for a smooth upload. After you finish uploading your plans, you'll need to confirm your choices. Look for the Done button. Clicking this confirms the upload process and saves all your files to your project in the Stack system. At this point, your plans should be safely uploaded and ready for you to use within the platform. Finally, to manage and view the uploaded plans, click on the link that says Go to Plans and Takeoffs. This section will present a comprehensive view of your uploaded files, along with tools that may assist in project takeoffs, measurements, and annotations. Navigating to this area lets you interact with and analyze your plans directly within Stack, streamlining your workflow and enabling you to keep everything centralized. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded plans into Stack and are prepared to manage them effectively. Whether you're refining your project specifications or engaging with your team, having your plans in Stack offers a comprehensive and efficient means of proceeding. If at any point you need to revisit a step or ensure that everything's running smoothly, feel free to pause the video and replay any part of this guide. We hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building.